Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new note in your account or team on Evernote in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside my account here on Evernote. What you want to do is simply click into that note button in the top left corner. And after that, you will see this field here. So that's basically your new note. You can fill it with content. You can start with a title, then the description. You can use a template, for example, use all kinds of text formatting tools, and that's basically it. These changes will then be saved automatically. So if I type in something like that here, 3, as you can see, that is saved. And that's basically it, guys. Now you can head over to your notes here, and you will see, for example, all of your so far created notes to the left. And that's it. Let me just give it a title, example note 1. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.